Hello dear modelers, this is Reverian who is back. Now I'm going to do my assignment here, and I'm going to make a video showing all steps of the team course collaboration. This team course has been designed by our team here, and the team is made by myself here and Harashta and Rosa and Stefania and Nezaket. So the title is this. It means that we have to make a course on activities and resources on Moodle. The course title is this: Moodle Activities and Resources for Effective Teaching and Learning. This is the abstract, and the audience will be anyone who wants to design an online course for a group of students. And the duration for the course, it will be because we have 7 topics, it may take 6 or 7 weeks, and those are objectives we have. And the topic sections, it will be along the 7 weeks. So for the week 1, it can be this one, the introduction and tasks on course syllabus and outline. And week 2, it will be on these subjects. And week 3, it will be this one. And for week 4, it will be preparing activities with H5P and so on, until we finish our course. So I'm very sorry. The modulators, we have modulators here. Nezaket will be there, and I'll be there. Arshita will be there. Rosa, and as I said at the beginning. So now our task is to make this video and to upload it here. But now we have to follow all instructions we have here. So after this we have to upload it on the Padlet. On the Padlet, you know that once you want to add a page on the Padlet, you have to click twice. And this is mine. This is my page. And I can take this title. It means that otherwise you can write this title here, and you will do this. You can paste and follow the link where the video is. It means that where the document is. It means that before sharing this one, I have to make sure that anyone with the link will edit, and it will be here like this one. And if after making sure that anyone can, it means that here I can go back and add this one. So please enter the valid. No, it is not the valid one. Let me share. Let me take this one. I have to copy. I didn't copy, and the link will be this. Acceptable. Now you will have my, and I can write something. This is the following document shows all steps for designing a course on Moodle. like this, over. And